Hey there, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add games to your Steam wishlist. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Steam, click on whatever game you want, like I don't know, Far Cry 5. That was a good game. And now what you want to do is like you're gonna write to it, you're gonna add to your wishlist. Oh, on the wishlist, click, and voila, here we got the wishlist games. So again, yep. Thank you everybody. If you have any questions, ask them down below in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.